Phoebe, welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely, lovely day. And I want to wish you guys a happy Mother's Day as well to all you mommies out there. Even if you do have fur babies, it's all the same, still mom. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I did receive some lovely happy mail from the wonderful Cara over at Caramia's Corner. So Cara, thank you so much for having put this all together. Paul already did his unboxing of the portion for the goodies that she sent him. He's fixing to start preschool in August, so he's very, very excited about that, and Cara's got him all ready for that to go. So Cara and Emmy, thank you so, so much. He was very appreciative and so very distracted with all the toys. Look, she says, "Hi, Paul. Your mommy tells me that you'll go to preschool soon. So excited for you. Hope you like the goodies, and Emmy and I are sending you. There's some fun learning tools too. Have fun. Hugs. Love, Cara and Emmy." So sweet. P.S. Always be a big helper to mommy and daddy. Say hi to Jaziel.
Hi, Jaziel.
Your card from Cara.
Thanks. Look.
Your crayons.
Look. Let's go in. We'll do the back. Yo-yos.
That is a yo-yo. Beautiful book. Secrets of our Earth.
Wait, let me see.
You like the koala? Wow, you're already putting goodies in there for school, huh? You getting ready?
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure he's going to be going pretty hard on those coloring books for sure. Alright, so in today's video, we have some cute little happy mail that Cara gave me here. This little folder is for Jaziel, and then she says she put some wonderful happy mail goodies in here. So Cara, thank you so, so much. Happy Mother's Day to you, gorgeous. And I can't wait to jump right in. The other thing is, I am not wearing any glasses, so a couple of things did fall out of the folder, and I was like, well, good thing I can't see, because I don't have my glasses on, and I was able to I wasn't able to distinguish what they were. All right, so let's go ahead and open this on up. She's got a little card here, and how cute is that cheetah? It's spotted with some cute little hearts there. How awesome. Let's go ahead and open this up. I want to say thank you to my neighbor because we do live next to some crackheads. Terry's heard all about it. So I had my neighbor come over here, pick up Cara's box, and hide it for me from them because we didn't know when we were going to get back because we were at a United States Air Force show, which is so, so cool. I'll try to see if I can insert a clip for you guys here so that you guys can watch it. It was so, so awesome. Here they go. Whoa! And we didn't know what time we were going to be back, but I'm so glad that my neighbor was able to do that for me. That was really sweet of her. It says, "Wishing you flowers, smiles, sunshine, and love." How cute is that card? And I love when they have gold on them like this. I think it's just so pretty. Okay, I hope you don't mind if I read it, Cara. It's just so sweet. She says, "Hi, Bibi. Hope your hubby and your boys pamper you and shower you with gifts and warm hugs. Wishing your mom a happy Mother's Day." She'll love that. Thank you, Cara. She raised a wonderful, sweet, beautiful, caring, and loving woman. That is so sweet. Thank you, Cara. She says, "Dear Bianca, you make life beautiful for so many people. Your love and caring blossom wherever you go, bringing more smiles than you can imagine. Have a happy Mother's Day. You deserve it. Cheers to motherhood. Love, Cara Mia, 2022." How sweet. Thank you so much, Cara. Happy Mother's Day to your sweet mama, too. Thank you so, so much. Y'all are so sweet. Look how cute this is. What a wonderful card. And I know this is a change of topic, but this is what I'm drinking today, and it is so good. So if y'all see any of this tea, I would definitely recommend that you guys grab it up, snatch it up, because it's really, really good. So, so delicious. And I'm drinking this today because all through the trip, something was up with my tummy. I have no idea what that was about, but I'm going to drink this instead of coffee because I feel like it's going to be softer on my tummy. And Cara, thank you so, so much for the card. Once again, I know I already said thank you, but that was so very sweet. And I hope you get treated and pampered so beautifully during your Happy Mother's Day as well. And speaking of Mother's Day, my husband took me out to a Cajun-styled restaurant, and we did have crawdaddies. I kind of want to put a picture here, but then I kind of don't, because I don't know if some of y'all will feel a little uncomfortable from seeing that image. But if not, just skip a couple of seconds ahead so I can show my feast, because it was so, so good. It had recently opened up, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was really, really nice. It was a little spicy, but nothing that I couldn't handle, but it was so, so very delicious. So thank you so much for all the Mother's Day wishes. I'm gonna put my beautiful card over here. All right, and let's go ahead and jump into some of these goodies now that they're up close to me and I can see them. She sent me some cute little Hello Kitty facial masks, and it says tea time. Yes, to the wonderful tea time. Oh my goodness, I love that tea. It's so, so good. It's making my tummy feel so nice and warm. And I love Hello Kitty. I actually used to collect a lot of Hello Kitty stuff back when I was living with my parents. I wanted Hello Kitty everything. I wanted everything to match. I had plushies. I had those little drinks that like you drop the marble inside, and I got to try one for the first time, and I kept the bottle for the longest time too. I just loved Hello Kitty. It was great. I think I even had a Hello Kitty backpack at some point. It's just, I love it. So thank you so much. This is so me. Next up we have, ooh, another sheet mask. Ooh, hyaluronic acid. I love that stuff. It's really, really great for breakouts. Sorry if that's like TMI, but it's really good stuff. And it's got peach in it. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I love it. Thank you so much for these. I don't have any facial masks in my stash, so this is gonna be perfect. I will definitely treat myself to these goodies. And then we have some iPads. Look how cute. I also don't have anything like this in my stash, so oh, and they're reusable. How neat. So I can use them as much as I'd like, and it comes in this cute little pouch. Let's go ahead and take them out and let's have a look. I was able to get just one off because this stuff is so sticky, but look at this. This looks like a little lime-marita or like a little margarita, and I love margaritas. You guys, that's like my favorite drink. It's so, so good. Look how cute these are. So these are going to be awesome to use. Thank you so, so much, Cara, for thinking of me and for putting all of this together. That was so, so sweet, and I can't wait to use them. All right. Also, me and Cara are going to be doing an upcoming swap, and I cannot wait to participate, and I'm so excited. So me and Cara are going to be doing that together, and so be on the lookout for that video. So very, very excited. I'm so glad that they came up with that swap, and I'm so looking forward to that. So Cara, be on the lookout for that as well. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you so much for joining me on this Tea Tuesday. If you want to go ahead and join in, feel free to just use the hashtag. We'll be linking the hostesses down below. All right, you guys, take care. Happy Mother's Day once again. Sending y'all kisses and hugs. Y'all take care, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.